The OnePlus One was a very popular device because it offered very good specifications at a decent price point. And the best thing about that device which made it immensely popular was that it ran on CyanogenMod out of the box. Well, that soon changed, and owing to the fact that OnePlus 2 and the OnePlus X had a very poor upgrade record, my faith from OnePlus had dwindled. Because they had started playing a blame game with CyanogenMod due to the reason why the OnePlus One was not getting any Android upgrades, and they simply failed to notice and see that the audience was clamoring for good Android upgrades on the OnePlus 2 and the OnePlus X. Well, that kind of changed when the OnePlus 3 and the OnePlus 3T came on the board. They received decent upgrades in terms of security patches, and the OnePlus 5, the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6T were one of the first devices in their classes to receive Android Oreo and subsequently Android Pie upgrade on them. Well, seems like the OnePlus 3 and the OnePlus 3T smartphone users were left in the dust. You want to know why? In July 2018, OnePlus had announced that it will be shipping the Android 9 Pie to the OnePlus 3 and the OnePlus 3T directly and will be skipping over the major upgrade of Android Oreo 8.1. To some, they were happy that yes, we will be getting the Android Pie upgrade. Oh, OnePlus is great. And even then it was mentioned that they would get it by 2018 end. But 2018 end came and went by, and we are now into the March. And so CEO Pete Lau confirmed that the upgrades were delayed as developers need more time to work on the upgrades for now. OnePlus has now confirmed on their forums that the upgrade is beta ready and they will be soon releasing out a beta build for the OnePlus 3 and the OnePlus 3T. But those who want the stable update, they will have to wait a little bit longer because they said that it is not yet ready enough to be rolled out as a stable upgrade. So keep your eyes peeled on their forums, or even say subscribe to my channel, and I will be releasing a video as soon as they release the Android Pie upgrade for the OnePlus 3 and the OnePlus 3T. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.